Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of TradeZella with Tradervue. In order to do so, here we are at TradeZella.com and also at Tradervue.com. Let's just take a look at the homepage here to see what the key differences may be. According to TradeZella, it is the only tool you need to become profitable. TradeZella helps you discover your strengths and weaknesses to become a profitable trader with the power of journaling and analytics. You can see here we've got analytics, your notebook, reporting, a journal, and back testing. 20+ billion trades journaled. It is powerful and automated trade journaling. Taking a look here at Tradervue, we also have a trading journal to improve your trading performance. Tradervue is the #1 online trading journal and analytics tool trusted by traders worldwide. Easily track, analyze, and improve your stock, futures, and Forex trades. Join 207,000 traders and discover why they choose Tradervue as their trading journal. 80+ trading platform integrations. Trade smarter with TradingView. What is the key difference between the two of them? Well, according to AI, Tradervue's highest tier plan includes 2 features that TradeZella doesn't have: Forex support and liquidity reports. That said, when it comes to trader development, in-depth reporting, filters, and data analysis, we see TradeZella has gone far in this category for the price point. So if Forex is important to you, then you may want to take a look at Tradervue. Otherwise, TradeZella might be the platform for you. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, take a look in the description to find a link to our link tree, and there you will find our top AI recommendations and some amazing promotions that you can take advantage of. Click on the link there to take a look at Cider AI, which is a fantastic tool that integrates with your Chrome browser, and you can gain access to the top chatbots at any time to ask questions and get the answers you're looking for. You can also find promotion for Sintra AI, which is an amazing tool to help your business grow. Check those out, click those links. We would greatly appreciate it.